Lights dim low in a quiet zone, echoes of whispers where dreams are sown. Pillow clouds and tranquil hums, peaceful beats with silent drums. Curtains drawn on a lazy noon, sunlight peeks into this cocoon. Time stands still in this haven made as the worries start to fade. Breathe in deep and let it go. Feel the calmness start to flow. In a world that's free of gloom, take me to my relaxing room. Bookshelves lined with tales untold, memories in frames of gold. Waves of joy in a sea of space, every corner a warm embrace. Life slows down and moments blend in the sanctuary my heart mends. Every sigh is a gentle breeze, a place where I find my ease. Breathe in deep and let it go. Feel the calmness start to flow. In a world that's free of gloom, take me to my relaxing room. Breathe in deep and let it go. Feel the calmness start to flow. In a world that's free of gloom, take me to my relaxing room. Underneath the neon city glow, I find a place where the wildflowers grow. Concrete jungle fades to blue, dreaming of a place for me and you. Waves crash against the silent shore, windows open wide, I need no more. Whispers in the wind call my name. In this peaceful home we'll stake our claim. whispers in the wind, city streets where stories begin. Life's a puzzle, missing pieces fit. Find your groove, don't ever quit. Mirror talk showing battle scars. Dreams of planets aiming for the stars. Heartbeats sync, echoes of the past. Moments fleeting, never meant to last. Mirror talk showing battle scars. Dreams of planets aiming for the stars. Heartbeats sync, echoes of the past. Moments fleeting, never meant to last. Feeling alive in a world so cold. Every moment another story told. Rise above through the darkness, glide. Turn the tide, let your soul confide. Midnight thoughts on a restless mind. Love's a journey often undefined. Truth in shadows hidden from the light. Daybreak comes, embrace the night. Hustle through the chaos and the noise. Find the beauty in the simple joys. Strength in tears that never dry. Sing your truth, never hide the why. Feeling alive in a world so cold. Every moment another story told. Rise above through the darkness, glide. Turn the tide, let your soul confide. Feeling alive in a world so cold. Every moment another story told. Rise above through the darkness, glide. Turn the tide, let your soul confide. I walk the streets under city lights. Hear whispers of secrets in the night. Broken dreams shattered on the floor, but I pick them up and ask for more. Heart of glass, but spirits high. Shatter once, but I still fly. In the darkness, I'm the glow. A fire born from the undertow. Echoes of pain still in my ear, but I face them with no fear. Life's a game and I play to win. Every loss just a new begin.